Hi everyone, welcome to Zero Waste Kitchen, and today we have our expert Sarah with us.
Hi everyone, I'm Sarah from Copper and Cloves. Copper and Cloves is a food and wellness brand. I'm a chef and I specialise in healthy food. And today we are going to be cooking a Copper and Cloves style salad, which is my take on a salad, which involves absolutely no limp iceberg lettuce and instead is full of filling, nourishing ingredients that have been cooked in all different ways and is full of flavour. The kind of concept I want to introduce today, when you wanted me to come and talk to you about a zero waste kitchen, is what we call root to stem cooking. Is kind of a take on a cooking term that started a couple of years ago called snout to tail cooking, which was kind of in the restaurant industry, the idea of using, when you're cooking with animals, that you use the entire animal to reduce, you know, the kind of waste cuts of the animal which aren't traditionally used. In plant-based cooking, the plant-based community has kind of adopted the term, and we are a plant-based food company. So root to stem cooking means the same thing. So taking every kind of vegetable and using as much of it as possible, because from a health perspective and a nutrition perspective, there's often a lot of nourishment and nutrition contained within fruit, vegetable, plant, whatever it is, that we maybe don't traditionally eat.
Sarah, I think that's really interesting because from an environmental perspective, an average Indian household produces so much waste, out of which, though, 60% is just purely organic waste. So by using this technique, we're also reducing our food waste, which is phenomenal. Yay! So excited. Let's get started.